Okay, we'll try this. So I'm getting ready to put up the next cabinet. I just wanted to show you what I do. Once again, I mark up the wall. Maybe hard to see there with the pencil marks. But what I do then after that is on the back of the cabinet, I mark the back of the cabinet and actually drill through the back of the cabinet for the screws. So that's the way I do it. It's real accurate so that you can see where my pencil marks are, and that's where the stud is right there. So. Okay, we're back. I'm ready to put up a cabinet. Don't try this at home alone like I do, but I'm a professional, so I know how to do this. So I got my back brace on because I'm an old guy. I got my glasses on so I can see. And so I'm gonna put the cabinet up and I'm gonna string this wire through the back and then screw it to the wall. So we'll see how it goes. I may have to edit this out. So under the cabinet, I have a 1x that I have for a kicker, and I use that to temporarily hold it. And I kind of got everything in place here so that I can string this wire through it. We're going to put in cabinet lights in there. Now it has to go up. I got another wire underneath too, so lots of wires. So it's up temporarily. I just need to check it now. Obviously it's a lot easier if you have two people, but once again I'm a professional at this. And I need, on this one I'm leaving an inch air space over the top. So pretty good. There we go. So I need to double check the plumb, make sure it's plumb up and down this way, make sure it's plumb this way, make sure it's level here, do some fine adjustments, and then finish screwing it to the wall. And away we go. Okay, so I got the cabinet up. I checked it for plumb. Make sure that it's good this way. Make sure that it's good this way, plumb the face, and then also make sure it's level this way. So actually the wall, I did check the wall before, and the top of the wall actually was leaning in, which typically they do. So which means that if you can maybe see into here, I actually shimmed the bottom out right where the screw goes through the cabinet. So there's a shim right behind the screw as it goes into the stud. So I shimmed it here, here, and here, and so it's up there really good. A couple of little old carpenter's tricks, is what I do is when I install the cabinet, I put in 2.5-inch screws at the top just temporarily. It's a lot easier to drive those in and take them out if you need to, and I usually do. I usually put them all in kind of temporarily. Take them out, then what I do is if there's solid wood back there, then I know I'm good. So what I do is as I take each screw out one at a time, I go back and countersink it with a little countersink bit. Then then I screwed the screw back in and tightened it up with a 3-inch screw then in the finish. So I started with a 2.5 inch just to get it up there. It's easier to deal with. I countersink it, put the 3-inch screws in, then it's good. So I put 3 screws at the bottom on this one and 3 screws at the top. I'm still got to countersink the top ones, but it's pretty much all in. A little detail on levels. Somebody taught me this when I was real young, and it's been very helpful for me. What I do, I have these old levels and they're adjustable. Some levels are not, but so I only use one bubble. So I have an X on this, and I only use this one bubble to do the plumb. So, and I just have a habit of every time I use the level, as I check it, I look and see, it's hard to tell there, but I look and see exactly where that bubble is between the lines. If it's touching the line or if it's exactly between them. And then what I do is I look at the exact same bubble. I just turn the level around and look at the exact same bubble, and if it reads the exact same, then my level is truly level. If it reads a little bit off this way and a little bit off that way, then my bubble needs to be adjusted. And I've even seen some new levels where the bubbles are off. So you could actually readjust some of these older levels that way by double checking. And also same thing with doing level is let's put it up here, look at the bubble within the lines, and then really scrutinize it, see exactly where it is, use the same bubble, turn it around, and looking at the same exact bubble from the other side, if it reads exactly the same, then your level's dead on. So just about done with this, got to finish the screws, and we'll go on to the next one.